Robert Mugabe Junior, son of the late former Zimbabwean president Robert Mugabe, was caught in a compromising position during a snoop in at a private residence. Samira mashoko atuna kuti vakomana voburitsa mufananidzo ingataurwa nevanhu ichinzi 6-step kana kuti manudes emukomana anonzi Robert Junior nauya tendera pasocial media ikashamisa vanhu. Saka mina mashoko amudanyoka panapa turi kusubscribe like out on the bell icon. So muri kana mufananidzo amudanyora the incident occurred when an identified individual unexpectedly entered a bedroom. He and a female colleague were in with another couple. The video footage, which has since leaked, shows Robert Mugabe Jr. in a state of undress, hastily attempting to put on his blue suit and glasses. The room was occupied by multiple individuals, suggesting a private gathering that took an unexpected turn with the arrival of the unidentified person. The scandal has sparked widespread discussion across social media and the news outlets, with many questioning the implications of such behavior by a public figure with a significant political lineage. This incident not only raises previous concerns, but also brings to light the often overlooked aspects of the privileges and security and scrutiny faced by individuals connected to high-profile political families. More details are expected to emerge as the story develops. Tomashukana mudaita kona kuna mzimu vachiti chitiko ichi chakashamisa vanhu vachiona mukomana anonzi Robert Junior achiwanikidzwa kana kuti anovhurirwa murumu makanga ari nevakomana vari unidentified vasingazivikanwi kuti ndivanani. Zvakaimbarasa nezvakatoshamisa nyika yose, uye achiona kuti mufananidzo yake ichitendera pasocial media. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.